Have you ever seen a Tesla in a dog mood and a beautiful dog resting inside the Tesla? So Tesla Model X Plaid is spotted testing dog mood in the wild. Our friends from Tesla Owners of Silicon Valley Twitter channel have shared some interesting pictures showing that. You're about to take a look at that. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Maria Merano from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel if you are here first time and join our community and give us thumbs up if you like these images, friends. So a Tesla Model X Plaid was spotted in the wild testing the dog mood. Back at the Fremont Factory, Model X Plaid vehicles were seen running through the facility's test track, hinting that Tesla might start ramping the production for its premium SUV soon. A Tesla Model X Plaid was seen parked on the street with a passenger still inside, a dog, sleeping peacefully inside the Model X cabin at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks to Tesla's dog mood, was a pupper, obviously waiting for its human companion to return. The dog, which seemed to be a golden retriever, was curled up in the driver's seat and belted. The Model X Plaid was fitted with what seemed to be 22-inch turbine wheels, which provide the vehicle with 330 miles of range for the price of $5,500. The Model X Plaid comes with two wheel options, the 22 turbine wheels and the 20-inch Cyberstream wheels, which provide 340 miles of range per charge. The Model X Plaid is also featured the Tesla's signature yoke steering wheel. In a recent video of the Fremont Factory, a Tesla Model X was seen putting in some rounds of Tesla's test track. The Model X sighting on Fremont test track and on the wild while testing dog mood hints that Tesla is preparing to ramp production of the all-electric SUV as soon as possible, thinks Maria Merano from Teslarati.com. She also says the vehicle has seen delays much like its sedan sibling. Through the Model S Plaid was able to start deliveries before the end of the second quarter. Today, the estimated delivery date for the Model X Plaid is March to April 2022. Currently, the Model X Plaid's price is $119,990 before incentives, making it more affordable than the Model S Plaid. The long-range Model X also has an estimated March to April delivery date and is priced at $99,990. So this is really, I think, beautiful, right? Kind of interesting story. At least these dogs were not abandoned on the streets and people care for them. So I guess it's good that Tesla has a dog mood. Maybe they can be used also by saving children, because we have seen a lot of news in a lot of stories in the news where children are abandoned in cars and hopefully and sadly dying in cars. So maybe this mood can help securing a nice temperature in a car. So friends, Tesla Model X is Tesla's mid-size all-electric luxury crossover made by Tesla. The vehicle is notable in that it uses Falcon wing doors for passenger access. That's the most notable thing of this SUV, among other things. Of course, the Model X was developed from the full-size sedan platform of the Tesla Model S. The Model X has an EPA size class as an SUV and shares about 30% of its content with the Model S, half of the original planned 60%, and weighs about 10% more than Model S. Both the Model X and Model S are being produced at the Tesla factory in Fremont, California. The prototype was unveiled at Tesla's design studios in Hawthorne, California on February 9, 2012. So it will be soon 10-year anniversary. That's why maybe Model X will come, the update and refresh will come on the 10-year anniversary in 2022. First deliveries of the Model X began in September 2015. After one full year of the market in 2016, the Model X ranked 7th among the world's best-selling plug-in cars. As of April 12, 2021, the Model X is only available as the long range with an estimated EPA range of 360.4 miles, which is 500 380 kilometers, and the Plaid model with an estimated EPA range of 339.9 miles, which is 547 kilometers. Both come with Tesla's autopilot driver assist system. So let me give you a little history background of the Model X. Initially, Tesla planned for deliveries for commence in early 2014 of the Model X. However, in February 2013, the company announced that deliveries had been rescheduled to begin by late 2014 in order to achieve its production target of 20,000 Model S cars in 2013. In November 2013, Tesla said it expected to begin Model X high volume production the second quarter of 2015. In November 2014, Tesla again delayed and announced the Model X deliveries would begin in the third quarter of 2015. Deliveries began on September 29, 2015. Among the reasons for delay were problems with the Falcon Wing doors and cooling the motors when hauling trailers. As you can see, now Tesla is able to cool not only motors when hauling trailers, but also the inside cabin in a dog mode, and beautiful dogs can rest inside waiting their human companions. In 2016, the company filed a lawsuit against Swiss hydraulics firms Hoelbiger Holding for not producing satisfactory Falcon Wing doors for the Model X. Tesla claimed the doors suffered from oil leakage and overheating. Many believe this is one of the reasons for the delay of the Model X. The lawsuit was settled in September 2016. On July 13, 2016, Tesla introduced its Model X 60D, which is slightly lower priced than the Model X's starting price. The Model X 60D has a 200-mile, 320-kilometer range and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds with a top speed of 130 miles per hour. That's 210 kilometers per hour for those of you who are in Europe or in countries where they are measured by kilometers. The battery capacity in Model X 60D is 75 kilowatt hour, but has been software restricted to 60 kilowatt hour. Post-purchase, owners have the option to unlock the additional 15 kilowatt hour, bringing the 60D to 75D range specifications. Tesla plans to use the Model X platform for the Tesla minibus, if you have heard Tesla van. So let's see when this will be coming. Global sales passed the 10,000 unit marks in August 2016, with most cars delivered in the United States. Now, I think this is really interesting that Model X Plaid may be coming to production very soon, as Tesla's Model X was seen parked on the streets with the passengers still inside, sleeping peacefully inside the Model X cabin in 68-degree Fahrenheit thanks to Tesla's dog mode. That was a puppy, obviously waiting for his human companion owner to return. The dog, which seemed to be a golden retriever, was curled up in driver's seat and belted. Friends, let me know what your thoughts are on all of this. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and give us thumbs up for this report. And as you gave me your valuable time, I want to give you something back in return. Friends, in this world, people have become slaves to their passions. Many people. They mistakenly think life is in abundance of possessions. Yet we learn that the Lord is the Spirit, and where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom in 2 Corinthians. Friends, true freedom is not the fulfillment of your desires, which actually make us slaves to our passions. To the true freedom is freedom from passions, freedom from our desires of wanting more, wanting bigger, because when we don't get what we want, we get very upset, we get distressed because our neighbors have, everybody on TV have, everybody in social media have, and they portray beautiful lives, and we don't have. But the true freedom is freedom from these passions, freedom inside, freedom from our desires of wanting to have more, bigger, and even more. True freedom is in God. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you.